Good morning. Today my topic is, what is my topic? So yeah, let's look outside if we see anything. Okay, there is a radio tower there, mobile phone network. So today my topic will be radio waves. So radio waves are a part of the electromagnetic spectrum, and radio waves follow many of the rules that are followed by light that we see in our eyes. That is the visible part of the electromagnetic spectrum, and it is between the ultraviolet rays, which you cannot see, and the infrared rays, which you cannot see but which carries heat. Between them lies the visible range. Radio waves, on the other hand, are much more longer in wavelength compared to all these visible rays, infrared rays, and ultraviolet rays. It is the longest of all the named parts of the spectrum. So radio waves are longer than microwaves, longer than all other visible light, ultraviolet, X-rays, and gamma rays. And therefore, as they are much longer, they cannot be seen by the naked eye, and we have to use specialized instruments to detect the presence of radio waves. Radio waves in the earth are reflected. Radio waves that are emitted from the radio stations are reflected back from the ionosphere, and therefore it acts as a shield both for radio waves going outside our planet and also the radio waves that are coming from the outer space. And therefore the radio telescopes and other telescopes which rely part on the radio waves are situated outside the ionosphere and in an orbit of the Earth, such as the Hubble Space Telescope, which is very famous for its exciting discoveries of a lot of things. And there are other dedicated radio telescopes also. I'm not sure Hubble does radio waves or not, but other telescopes do. And radio waves are also used for this communication. The video which you are seeing has been transmitted through radio waves because I'm using a mobile data. These mobile phone networks operate by radio waves, and these radio waves and Wi-Fi networks also, they operate by radio waves. They have different frequencies, and we also know the radio stations that operate using radio waves. And an interesting case about Wi-Fi is that how it would be visible if we could see radio waves with our eyes. So they form cloud-like lumps around the solid objects in a Wi-Fi zone. I've seen one diagram. I cannot remember why it was right now, but that's the way it was. And this cloud-like coverage of the room and area showed the high activity of the radio waves. And radio waves are a good source of communication because they do not get hindered by walls or foreign objects, and they are remarkably resistant to all those. And thanks to radio wave, which was discovered by Macaroni, but Macaroni or something like his name. I'm bad at remembering names. But it was also told it was discovered partly by Jagadish Chandra Bose in India. So that's all for today. Thank you for listening, and I see you later.